What you see before you are two engines. The one on the left is a Briggs & Stratton 3.5 horsepower L engine, which has a coil that failed. So I'm going to replace it because I could not find a coil that allowed the mounting of the governor assembly right there at my hand. So this one's going to go away. If you look, this has a pull rope that is on the left side. This one has a pull rope on the right side, but they both rotate in the same direction when they're pulled. So that's not a problem. The governor for this device motor is here, controls the throttle, and over in here, which is part of the engine block. I'll show you most likely installing the throttle control right here. I'll see how well that works. I don't know until I get it on the engine. One of the things I noticed, the Predator engine on the right has a much smaller base. If you take a look, you'll see that the base is small as compared to the larger and taller Briggs & Stratton engine. But this comes with a bracket. Rotating this on the side, it comes with a bracket mounted with these four bolts, 10mm bolts that mounts on, that has the same form factor as the block, but the bottom of this aluminum block is much larger. So what I did is I've gone out and bought a piece of aluminum that I'm going to double up on both sides to lift this unit up, motor up. The shaft for this motor is longer, but it is 5/8. So that's going to work fine. So now let me mount it on the McClane Edger. Okay, as you can see right there, there are the 4 holes. They're elongated. So we have the ability to move. And what I'm going to do next is to place the engine in the cradle. As you can see, the air, this is rubbing here. The air filter is going to be a problem to work with one way or the other, but it's just going to have to be that way. Now I'm going to use this aluminum to raise the engine up. So I'm going to have to cut those on there and make them basically work. And I got to start the fans because it's getting hot. All right, what you're seeing here is the underside of the Edger, McClane Edger. You see the adapter plate. The adapter plate has 4 10mm bolts that screw into the engine block. The engine block is smaller. You see me pointing out the 2 bolts that hold on the 2 1/4-inch aluminum plates I put in. There's 2 in each side. I drilled those out, installed them. There's what I used. National, what does it say? National aluminum, and that's 1 inch thick and a 1/4 inch wide, or 1 inch wide, 1/4 inch thick. Anyway, here's the other side where I put the pulleys on. I had a hell of a time getting the pulley off the engine. I had to heat it up. And of course, that's a standard pulley that was on the American-made motor. And it fits just fine because the shaft is 5/8 of an inch in diameter. So that worked out well. The engine is designed to directly replace the Briggs. You know, there's certain standards, the way things rotate, the way they start and run. This does have an on-off switch. It did work fine, and my neighbor was happy in using it. So the motor only cost $120. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.